Oh, now we've got this beautiful knife from Rocknife. Have a look at this, because if you're a cook or if you know somebody who is a cook, these are fabulous knives, ceramic, super sharp. Damien, this one here, it's my favourite. Well, the big one's my favourite, but this is another favourite of mine.
No,
it's nice
another
and small, isn't it?
That's
It's
right,
nice and dinky,
it's a dinky
little knife, yeah.
But actually surprisingly useful.
Yeah.
So I would use this knife particularly for things like grapes.
Oh, yeah.
If I was preparing a fruit salad, I'd use those for taking out the pips.
Yeah.
Or alternatively for things like garlic or let's say hulling strawberries, which we've got some here. So I'll just like that sort of thing. But the great thing about this, they're so super sharp that that the sensation of cutting with them is very different. It feels like cutting with a razor. But secondly, you don't get the same sort of crushing of the cells in a lot of the vegetables like you do with a steel knife.
Yeah.
So if you were cutting an onion, for example, you wouldn't crush the cells. You'd actually slice through them.
Don't crush the cells, you don't get the tears, do you?
You don't get the vapor that
You
comes
don't
off.
get the vapor,
That's right.
Onions without tears. Yeah, brilliant.
So something like this, little garlic here, you can cut so finely with this.
Oh, you can
And
at all.
they're just so super sharp.
It's just like using a razor, isn't it? It's like a razor blade. They are super sharp, but they're so cool as well. They look fabulous. I mean, they're going to grace anybody's kitchen. If you're going to give this away as a gift, it is a superb gift for somebody. Or if you just want to get one for yourself, you can buy each knife individually, or you can buy a set. Which if you go on our website, you'll see all the different things you can buy. Get on the website, or if you want to make a call now, give us a call. The price is on the screen, and this is how they come. Have a look at this.
So this is the box they come in. Yeah, little magnetic flip top.
Yep.
Instructions on how to look after the knife.
Yeah.
And
is there any special ways of looking after it?
Well, basically, yeah. You need to cut on a wooden board or a plastic board.
Yeah,
and
which
that
most
way,
people do anyway.
Your knife will never need sharpening.
Oh, brilliant!
That's it. They just stay sharp for years and years and years.
And that's how they come. So, if you're going to give that away as a gift, it's a great gift for Christmas.
It looks lovely, and it comes with. They all come with the cover on the blade.
Oh, you got the cover on the blade as well.
To protect the blade and to protect your fingers.
And remember, Rocknife is exclusive. It's an exclusive brand. You won't find these in regular shops. It's a fabulous quality knife. A lot of chefs like these knives.
They're made from zirconium oxide. This is a very, very hard material, harder than steel, which is why you can get such a sharp edge on that blade because of the hardness of the material. In fact, the only material that's harder than zirconium oxide is diamond.
And we're not going to make a knife out of diamonds.
I don't think so.
No, I think it might be a little bit expensive, but I'll tell you something. It's the next best thing, isn't it? Really.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then if you're unfortunate enough to cut your fingers.
Oh. Yeah.
It's all right, we have a solution.
We do, there you go. You do.
Sorry, we're just joking. We hope that never happens, and we hope that pack of plasters stays in the cupboard. But we do actually
you do send out the plasters with them, which I think is great. Because let's face it, you've got a knife. I mean, you never know, do you? I mean, we don't want you to cut yourself, but I think that's superb. Nice touch.
Yeah, but then if you do the other great thing about ceramic, they're so sharp, you don't really feel it either.
Well, that's right, yeah. But the thing is with ceramic is that, or the thing is with any knife that's sharp, the sharper the knife, the safer the knife, because that's what all chefs say, don't they? I mean, or everybody knows that. If it's a sharp knife, it's a lot easier to use.
You're a lot more likely to cut yourself with a blunt knife.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because you're slipping it, especially doing things like onions and things like that.
So not to say you don't want to be very careful with these and treat them with respect.
Yeah.
But yeah. But so that little knife there, 3-inch knife, very, very useful, surprisingly, for a number of small jobs, and especially if you're doing sort of very fine detail on, let's say, cake decoration and things. But with fruit maybe, then you could slice incredibly finely and accurately with a knife that size. Yeah. So it has a lot of uses.
Jump on the phone now, folks. Make that call. All the details are on the screen. If you want to go on the website, go on the website. You can see the details there. We do different sized knives and the sets as well. So have a look. Don't miss out, because this is a great set, isn't it, Damien?
Yeah,
it is a brilliant set. Make that call now. Don't miss out.
The Rocknife 3-inch knife is available for £14.95. You can purchase online at www.rocknife.com. Use code TVW at the checkout or call our phone number 0117 318 0709. All postage and packing for Rocknives is free of charge.